From the noisiest neighborhood in the known universe, welcome to Smoky Goodness 2.0, YouTube's bison-centric barbecue and grilling channel. And today, bison it is. Today we're going to be doing some Bison Smashies out here. Very, very, very popular menu item around here. Not only with us, but most of our neighbors as well. And of course, while doing Bison Smashies, I usually like to prevent stickage by using either duck fat or Sang stir fry oil. But today, hey, why not use both? And that's exactly what we're gonna do. Hey, it's the Drip and Griddle. Or is it the Slow and Sear? I forgot. I think it's a Drip and Griddle. Got the coals over here on one side. They've been warming up for about half an hour. They're ready to go. The Slow and Sear or Drip and Griddle or whatever it is right here. We're going to be doing the Smashies on top of that. And normally when I do Bison Smashies, I'm using this duck fat. Or sometimes I'm using this Sangs. I thought today, since this is going to be what I think is going to be the best smash burgers I've ever done, we're going to use both. I'll start with a bit of Sangs. Not a whole lot. Woohoo! That is hot. Okay, and be real careful if you're using an aerosol can. This fire's really, really hot. So from on high. And for good measure, the smasher gets a little bit of duck fat also. And away we go. All right. Get all that mixed up a little bit. Boy, that's really, really hot over here. So gotta hurry up. Bison burger. Listen to that sizzle. Let's smash this bison burger, shall we? That is one hot fire. This is not going to take long. All right. Our smash burgers. Got some pretzel buns. Do that and that and this and that. Let's see how we're doing here. Well, it works. Oh yeah. Not quite the sear I want just yet, but we're getting there. And it's definitely getting there. Come here, boing. That's got the sear I want. Yeah, we're just gonna play with this. Get it just right. Get these over the hot coals or hotter area. All right, back in a flash. Let's see how we're doing with the buns. Whew, they're hot. They're really hot. Toasty.
A couple of minutes later.
Okay, only a couple of minutes have passed. And I'd say these Bison Smashies are done. Take a look at that. I can't tell if I held that up in front of the camera or not. I've got my screen flipped the wrong way. But you get the idea. Yeah. This is being captured. Yeah. But how do they taste, Mr. Smoky Goodness guy? Let's find out. You know, I probably could have gotten away with putting 2 patties in 1 burger. But damn it, I love pretzels, so. I don't know what it is, but there's something about bison that I just can't explain. It's good. It's like the most gourmet ground beef you can find. It's even better than Wagyu. And it has kind of a slightly sweet flavor to it that just can't be beat. That's why we make it all the time out here. So, and it's a boring video. Mr. Smoky Goodness is downstairs. Mr. Smoky Goodness Jr. is downstairs working on some kind of a Minecraft video that he's working on. Mrs. SG is at work. Oh, cheers.
But this is the coolest thing ever.